The 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter piece of cardboard will represent the palm of your robot hand. You can place that to the side for now. To start, the 3 2 centimeters by 9 centimeter pieces will each represent one finger. Take one of the finger pieces of cardboard and cut into 3 equal lengths as shown in this image. To complete the next step, place the 3 equal finger pieces together with the short side of the rectangles as the joints. Next, use a piece of tape to reconnect them. Label the side of the finger with the tape inside.